Okay, so what's going on today? Yesterday we had a heat wave, real warm, about over upper 90s. AC went out. Found out that my fan from my condenser fan had stopped working. That would have cost me maybe $150 had that replaced. But instead of replacing it, I found out it's my capacitor instead. So I took the AC apart, and you can see there's the condenser in there. The compressor there. Everything looks fine. And here's the old capacitor that was connected. You can see it's swollen there. Here's a new one I'm going to reinstall. And well, here's the AC fan motor. And I first thought that was a problem. But what happened is I let it cool off a little bit, turned it back on, and it spun a little bit, but not much. After I took it all loose, I did another test, one final test, by plugging the wires back together over here to the capacitor and relay switch. And then I just turned it myself by hand, and it started right up. Then I knew the capacitor wasn't giving enough juice to jump start this motor. But now I gotta put it back together. Make sure you cut your main power off when working on these things. This is a Janitrol AC, probably same makers from Goodman, Armana, and I should be up and running a little bit with an hour. Alright, well, I got it back and running again. You see I got the capacitor in there. Make sure those wires are in the right spot. Make sure your fan wires in there, your condenser wires right. And like I said, be sure you turn your main switch on and off. So all I gotta do now is put the casing back on it and finish putting some screws in, and I'll be back up and running and have a nice cool house during this heat wave. Running like a champ.